Hello guys, I hope you are having a good day. In this web tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a warning message that says earning at risk. You need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. It usually happens when you have recently sent your website address for approval to show ads on your website. And then you see this message. So here we will work on how to fix this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is probably you want to log into your Wix website. If you are having a Wix website and you see this message, this video is gonna show you how to fix that. So you want to log into your Wix website. On the Google AdSense, click on Fix Now. Once you copy the code from there, just come to the left side of your Wix dashboard and then Marketing and SEO. Just hover that and then click on Marketing Integrations. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then here where it says Ads.txt, click on Connect. Click on Ads.txt. Now paste the code in here. Okay, and then click on Save. Okay, so here as you can see, we have added the Ads.txt file in here. We have added the Ads.txt code in here. It will take 24 to 48 hours for the Google AdSense to approve, and this message will be gone after 24 to 48 hours. So next time you log in, you probably won't see this message again. I can still see this message. We have to wait for 24 hours until this message is gone. So I hope this video has been helpful. I hope this will solve your issue with the earning at risk issue as well. Let me know in the comment box if you have any problem or if you need any help in this. So till next video, it's goodbye.